So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this KastKing HyperSeal tackle box, a little small, little 3600 box. Let me show you how this thing works. Now, there's not much I can show you on these things. I just got this in, so let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that was some tough plastic on that thing, but look at the quality of this box. This is a very good quality 3600 box. Here's what I have, or what I've had my swimmer style baits in. Check this thing out. So this is just your basic El Cheapo box, good box. You know, all the KastKing boxes have been pretty good. So this is a 3600 box here, but there's one thing, this thing is not waterproof. So if I drop this in the river or lake, guess what? It sinks to the bottom. Well, what I've been slowly doing is converting all of my boxes, my little tackle 3600 boxes, over to waterproof style boxes. And I want you to check this thing out. Very high quality box here. You get this little manual here with it, and it shows you basically how to open it. But you know what? If you can't figure out how to open a tackle box, you might want to reevaluate your entire fishing career, everybody. Has these little labels on it. I like it that it has these little labels. You just put them right there, write what you want. Usually what I do is type out my labels on a label maker, but this works great right here. I don't see any reason you couldn't just put one of these little labels on here. That way you can label it whatever you want. I like it that I'll try to label all of my tackle. Okay, so open it up here. You know what? We don't need that thing. It's got a measuring device on top, so it goes up to 9 inches of measuring right here. You could see a measuring. It's got these reinforced layers right there. Very tightly sealed. And it's also got one of these water absorption mechanisms here. And that is replaceable, by the way. You can actually take that out. Every time I get a pack of beef jerky or something, you know what I do? I take those out and throw them in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to convert these over to here. You know what? I got my little swim fish. These all come out. So if you don't want to use those actually pop out just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little bluegill swimmers in there. And these are kind of like little gar swimmers. Those are nice to have. I'm just going to put all those into one right there. And let's see, my little buzz bait. I like my little buzz bait guy. Go ahead and close it up. Now what I'm going to do is take it over here and let's see how waterproof it is. But just going over it here, the quality of this thing looks really good. It's got these reinforcement all around, little kind of gnarl grip right there. It says 3600 on it. Let's take it over to my bucket and let's see how well this thing floats. Okay, so I've got my barrel here. There we go. Say we dropped it in the water. Look at that, everybody. That thing works great. That thing, yeah, it wouldn't sink to the bottom. You see that? And there's no water inside. I'm not going to open it until I dry it off, but you see it all around it. There's no water inside. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the KastKing, HyperSeal box. See you on the next video.